Have you ever wondered how to improve your memory? Does it ever feel like information slips through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to grasp it? Well, look no further. This video will guide you on a journey to unlock the full potential of your memory. Imagine the mind as a vast library, where every bit of information is a book waiting to be placed on the right shelf. To start with, it's crucial to understand that the key to a powerful memory lies in the process of encoding, storage, and retrieval. Firstly, focus on encoding. This is the process of transforming information into a form that your brain can understand and store. The trick here is to make the information meaningful. For instance, when learning a new word, don't just repeat it mindlessly. Instead, try to associate it with something familiar or create a story around it. This technique is known as elaborative encoding, and it can do wonders for your memory. Next up, storage. This is where your brain keeps information for later use. To improve this aspect of your memory, repetition is your best friend. Regularly review the information you've learned. This strengthens the neural pathways in your brain, making it easier for you to recall that information later. Now, let's tackle retrieval. This is the process of bringing stored information back into your conscious awareness. A great way to enhance retrieval is to practice active recall. This involves trying to remember information without looking at it. Think of it as a mini test for your brain. It might seem challenging at first, but with time, it'll become second nature. To summarize, improving your memory is a three-step process. First, encode the information in a way that's meaningful to you. Second, store the information through repetition. And third, practice active recall to enhance your ability to retrieve information. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but is there anything else I can do to boost my memory? Absolutely. A healthy lifestyle can significantly impact your memory. Regular physical exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and stress management all contribute to a healthy brain, which in turn fosters a strong memory. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to improving your memory. It's not an overnight process, but with patience, practice, and persistence, you can transform your memory from a leaky bucket into a well-oiled machine. Remember, every great mind started from scratch. It's never too late to start your journey to a better memory. So why not start today?